Hi everyone, it's Davey with GoSun. We're at the Solar Power International Trade Show in Los Angeles, California. The weather is beautiful. It's about just after 10 in the morning. This is day 2 of the conference, and we're here with all of our solar power enthusiasts. We're going to cook some cinnamon rolls. This is one of our really simple recipes to cook in the GoSun. We're going to use the GoSun Sport. I've got the fantastic carry bag here. So we're going to set this up right now. Really easy to use. The handles become the legs. Just takes a second. Just hook this little clip on, keep the legs together. And the hardest part of this product is how you turn it on. So watch really carefully. All right, it's off, it's on. You want me to show you again? It's off, it's on. All we do then is simply direct it to the sun. It's going to give us free energy, and we're going to cook. So here we go with the cinnamon rolls. It's going to take about 20-25 minutes to cook. Here we go with our solar oven. Slide it in. Come back in about 20 minutes. We should be eating delicious sweet cinnamon rolls and sharing them with the crowd here. We've got some steam going on right here, which means we've got some wonderful temperature. Let's check out the cinnamon rolls, see the doneness. Oh, look at that. Actually, they were probably ready a while ago. They're a little bit more brown than I personally like them, but they'll be delicious. Great thing about solar cooking is everything stays moist. Got to add, of course, the thing that your doctor doesn't want you to have, this nice sweet stuff. So let's put a little bit of that on the top here, like that. Yeah.
Thank you.
Solar cooked cinnamon roll.
Yeah, it is hot.
I know, isn't that incredible? Passive solar, right?
Where are you from?
Sri Lanka.